Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.